Hello guys, welcome to episode 5 of Sharing Best Practices by OM Joe. So, on my previous videos, I've introduced what BPO is, differentiate VA and EA works, and at least give you a better understanding kung saan kayo mas mag-fit based on your personality and lifestyle, right? So, on this episode, I will somehow let you know that not because magkaibang mundo sila or mga ibang ginagawa on BPO, EA, and VA, know that the core skills are all the same. So, what do I mean by that? So, a lot of people think kasi magkaibang mundo, right? But honestly, in terms of foundation, parehas lang siya. It's really the same. So, if you build the skills in one, madali ka na lang makakapag-adjust sa iba. Right? So, first skill, ano ba yung dapat na meron ka? And you will treat it as your core skill. First is your communication skills. So, whether you're answering calls, managing emails, or, updating your client, how you communicate defines your success. Why? It's not just about English fluency. It's also about clarity. It's about your tone. It's about your comprehension. And of course, empathy, right? The goal is to make people feel heard and understood. That's why it's a core skill that you should have or you should improve. Next skill would be ownership, right? In BPO, you take ownership sa mga metrics or you take ownership sa calls na meron ka or sa ginagawa mo, right? As an EA or VA naman, you take ownership on the tasks that you do and of course the results that you delivered. So, hindi mo na kailangan hintayin na i-remind ka to be proactive enough and make sure na you get things done, right? That's why you should have this core skill or core value, which is your ownership. Number 3 would be your time management, right? Kasi all 3 roles or industries require balanced priorities, meaning you have to make sure you're meeting deadlines. You have to make sure you're managing your workload properly, whether that's calls or reporting or client tasks. Being able to organize your day and consistent sets you apart, right? So, remember that again, communication skills, ownership, and time management, these are transferable skills, meaning once you mastered it, you can shine in any role. Pwede ka na sa EA, pwede ka na sa VA, or you can also, move up the ladder pag nasa BPO ka, stuff like that, right? I hope this somehow gives you clarity too, na hindi mo kailangan na magkakaibang core skill set. Isang skill set lang siya, or 3 lang siya actually, that I can really think of that's really gonna help you succeed. So, assess mo yung sarili mo if you have those. If you don't have yet, then better to improve that and research how you can better improve on those 3 skills that I have mentioned. Okay, so I hope it helps. And if you have questions or anything that you can also add to the core skills that I have mentioned, then feel free to put it in our comment section. Okay, so see you on my next video.